Okay, so to find the antiderivative of sine of 4x, you already know that the derivative of sine of 4x, for example, you have to use the chain rule. So, it's not as simple as just memorizing the rule, but it's not that complicated either. Because if you think about it, well, you might say, okay, well, what about cosine of 4x? And so now, since we're just kind of starting, it's good to do a little practice. Later on, we'll memorize all the rules. But so let's try getting the derivative of cosine of 4x and see if that works out. So you get the derivative of cosine of 4x. Well, that's negative sine of 4x. And then by the chain rule, you have to multiply by 4. And so you compare and you go, okay, well, that's not what I wanted because you have extra stuff here. So then you go, okay, well, I need to get rid of this negative sign, and I need to get rid of this 4 for it to match up what I wanted originally, which is just sine of 4x. So then you go, okay, well, how about if I, to my antiderivative, instead I add a negative sign here, and then to balance out the 4, how about if I divide by 4? So now, when you get the derivative of negative cosine of 4x over 4, well, the over 4, that's just a constant. So you can leave the 4 there. The negative you can also keep there. The derivative of cosine is negative sine of 4x times 4. Okay, so these cancel. These two turn into positive, and so you're left with just sine of 4x. Check. Nice work there. So this is your antiderivative.